I got this Intex pool a few months back, and it's been so awesome to have. You can see this is our pool. We actually built a deck around it in our backyard, but this is the filter, pump, and saltwater chlorinator. It's really easy to program. It will tell you if you have high or low salt. It's automated, so you can set it to run for 4, 6, 8 hours. You can run the chlorinator for a certain amount of time. Really easy to hook up, very self-explanatory. The filter is a sand filter, which is really nice and keeps your pool really clean. Really easy to run and operate. We haven't had any problems with this pool. It's been great to have.
So this is my Intex 32 foot by 16 foot, 52 inch high swimming pool. Everybody loves this. It's fantastic. It's actually very easy to put together. So let me tell you about it and some of the perks. I've had this for over a year. It has steel framing along the sides. All of this holds up the pool, and you can actually leave it out during winter. It did also come with this ladder, and as you can see, the water is crystal clear and blue. That's because it does come with a 2650 GPH sand filter pump. So it's really, really high quality filtering. And I think it's actually pretty easy to heat up this pool with a few other attachments that don't necessarily come with it. So you have the entire pool. This thing is huge, 32 feet long. It's almost a swimming pool. You could do laps in this. Everybody seems to love it during the summertime. I'm just now getting it out as it is spring. And it does come with this sort of rollery thing that you can roll over as a sun heater, and it basically will heat the pool for you without any of that stuff. Now that doesn't come with this pool set, but I think it's pretty neat, and I can show you how it works. So it's basically this giant roller, and it has these solar bubbles on them, and the sun hits the bubbles as it's laid out over the pool, and then that heats the water. And it takes 2 people to roll this out, but it's super easy. Leave it out for a couple hours, and this pool will heat up even when the air outside isn't necessarily as warm. As I said, it is spring, so we're kind of getting this ready for the summer. But overall, I think it's a super high quality pool. Everyone loves it, it seems, and it's actually much easier than putting an in-ground pool. It's the highest quality above ground pool I've had. Has lasted me really well over the winter, and it did super well over the winter. Had no issues, so hopefully you found this video helpful.